People always really like this area quite a bit, so I'm going to film it and kind of show you around, and we'll go by the music as well, so stay tuned. Okay, we're at the base of São Paulo ruins right now, and we're going to walk all the way down towards Senado Square. I don't know how far we're going to go. Probably, I'm definitely going to walk all the way. I don't know if I'm going to do it all in one film or if I'll do it in 2 films, but we'll find out later.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to start this at São Paulo ruins, and there's a lot of beautiful stuff everywhere in here. And this is Uniglow, which used to be a historic building, but then Uniglow bought it, and now it's changed to a shopping area. But actually, you'll see this on the street. You'll see some other stuff too that has like kind of a shopping area feel. Because there's a bunch of like things that I would see in American shopping malls that bought property right on the main street here. Not a lot, but it's probably a sign of the future of things to come, especially after when the things open up after COVID eventually. Yeah, I think all these people with red shirts, I think there was some kind of special day today. I saw another YouTuber had something with red shirts, something about overseas workers from the Philippines, I think, but I don't know exactly what it was, but I think there was some big event up here. So we might see a lot of red shirts today. Today is a Sunday, and Sunday is the day that Filipinos have the day off of work. It's like a holiday. Usually they work on Saturdays. Depends on their job, but if they're domestic helper, then they're usually working every day except Sunday. So that's probably why they had an event today, but I don't know what the event was. Maybe somebody can post it down below. I might even find out later anyways. I just saw it somebody else's YouTube channel. Saw it briefly. Yeah, actually this is not quite as crowded as it was the other day. Got all these little alleys too. That alley kind of made the lighting thicker a little bit. This was probably really busy earlier. Actually, when it's like before COVID, this can be like wall to wall. You're just walking with a big mess of people. Just kind of crazy crowded. But today it's not like that. Today it's actually I think in the past I remember, you know, prior to COVID, I'd actually try to avoid the street. I'd go down the side alleys a little bit and try to figure out a way to get around here. There's once you know the city, it's not too hard, but it's not too intuitive either for a tourist. You can get kind of lost in here relatively easy enough as well. I don't know how the lighting is working on this particular street. I feel like some of them are kind of there's so much light that it kind of creates a lightness and darkness kind of thing. So yeah, sometimes people ask if you know, I must want it to be back to when it's really crowded and tourists everywhere, and I don't know. I definitely want to have mobility of travel again, but having tons of tourists, I'm not really sure. It was hard to walk around here, but actually there's a lot of suitcases here. There's some people over there with suitcases. So there's a lot of people from mainland China can come in anytime they want, pretty much. There's some paperwork and things they have to do because it's the immigration borders and things. The lighting is getting really nice in this area. Didn't realize it'd be so nice. Yeah, this is real nice in here. Wow. And we're going to be coming straight ahead into São Paulo ruins momentarily, and we'll just keep working our way. I think today we're just gonna, sometimes I'll really spend some time in here, but today we're just gonna angle, go straight on down. Could go down that way, of course. That's why it's interesting, but we're gonna go down this way. Let's just kind of give a brief. So that's the one that we just came down, was that one. So a lot of different angles you can go down here. Gonna show you some of them. There's a Say up there. Cathedral Say is way up there. That's actually good to film up there too, but I wanna, at this time of night, it's the best area is the one that we're gonna be following because it's the most well lit. So we're gonna follow it. Yeah, Sunday night. Actually, I went through here briefly last night around the same time. There was a lot more people on Saturday night. But Sundays, quite a few as well, of course. There's some different things set up here, so we're gonna see what this is set up here. Coming up straight ahead. See what this is. Oh, they're selling household goods. Oh, okay. Japan. Happy Halloween. There's also church going on right now too. We got that little corridor, that little corridor. And we're gonna keep going straight down. So yeah, I do see a lot of red shirts today, so yeah, maybe let me know what that was all about. I'm not sure. I think I saw it was OFW, which is Overseas Foreign Workers, but I don't know what the event was. But I saw a photo where there's a ton of people wearing red that were all sitting up on the Sao Paulo steps. Come all the way down here. Lighting is kind of strange and interesting. Some other side streets. Huh. Let's kind of take a little look around here. So. Okay. Got some jazz in the park. Jazz in Senado Square. So we're heading towards Senado Square right here. Always beautiful to see. They got red shirts everywhere tonight. Oh yeah, I did want to film this right here too. See how this whole little space. So you can eat, get coffee and drinks here, and then that's the. There we go. And it's the music right there. There's a little thing for the Winter Olympics. So there it goes, Sao Paulo to Senado Square.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.